Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Calculus problems involving differentiability often hide traps at transition points. Let us quickly analyze this function to find exactly where the derivative fails to exist today. First, check the transition at x equals -1. The left derivative is 1, while the right derivative is -1. Since they differ, it is not differentiable there. Boom! Next, look at x equals 0. The function is 1 minus absolute x. Absolute value functions always have a sharp corner or cusp at their vertex, meaning the derivative is undefined. Finally, check x equals 1. The left derivative is -1 while the right derivative is 2. They do not match, so it is not differentiable. That makes option D. Great work! Scan the code, you can learn better with Sovi. Avoid the trap of ignoring cusps and always check all points to ensure they match perfectly.